So my master's research worked on polar bears and whether or not they're attracted to human menstrual odors. And I'm sitting with my family watching the movie Anchorman, and there's a point where Stephen Carell, they're talking about women in the office, and Stephen Carell goes, bears, they're attracted to menstrual odors. That's my research. So I made it on to Anchorman. So I'm Bruce Cushing. I'm the chair and the Larry P. Jones Distinguished Professor in the Department of Biological Sciences. I'm really excited about doing this. We work with Voles, which is a small rodent model used to study social behavior, and it's very human relevant. So in this course, we're going to look at the behavioral patterns that happen when a pair bond is formed between a male and female, and they behave very much like human beings. In how they form a bond, how they interact. So we're going to look at behavior. We're going to do analyses of brain tissue to look at how that changes over time. And then I'm hoping we're going to have a really exciting component of this when we learn to do functional magnetic resonance imaging working with Northeastern University long distance, virtually, where they have a vole colony and they will actually be able, the students will actually be able to manipulate an fMRI and look at the patterns of the brain in living voles. Yeah, so one is the fMRI, where again we'll actually be running the machine, so you'll learn the principles behind functional magnetic resonance imaging. That's what people do when they go into hospitals to look if there's things going wrong in the brain. We're also going to analyze behavior directly, which is kind of cool. We'll watch a pair bond form over time from 0 hours to 36 hours. That's about how long it takes. And then the other thing we're going to be doing is using immunocytochemistry to actually stain for estrogen receptors, for oxytocin and vasopressin in the brain. So it's all really pretty cool stuff. And you'll actually learn to slice and cut brains. So there'll be a lot of opportunities here. One is the techniques that you learn actually be things that would be valuable in many levels. So as a technician, as going on to grad school or any other professional school. The other thing is I'm hoping that this work will actually be good enough that there's a chance that the group can get out some papers or posters, which will be really advantageous for helping students get into professional careers and moving their careers forward. Well, I think you're going to want to love it. I think that you need to find a research aspect that you really like to do, and that's the beauty, I think, of UTEP and a liberal arts type of education where you can have a lot of different opportunities to see how research works. And I think the really nice thing about the Persist and the design of this course is that it's not just a pretend research effort. It will be the real thing. You'll learn what really happens, and since we'll be sampling at least 3 different areas of doing research, it'll give you sort of an idea of what you might like to do and where you might like to go, or better yet, what you don't like to do and where you don't want to go.